Welcome back. Today we'll be reviewing one of the newest AirTag accessories on the market, the Elevation Lab Time Capsule. This over-engineered box advertises being waterproof and having up to a 10-year lifespan using 2 lithium-ion AA batteries. At the time of recording, you could get one for $19.99 or 2 for $29.99 on Amazon, and you can get the whole kit for just under $60 shipped. If you got the full year lifespan, that equates to about 50 cents per month. Plus, you'll end up with 6 spare lithium-ion AA's, a spare 2032, and an extra AirTag door. Not sure what to do with that. Elevation Lab also has a pre-order on their site for a 4-pack of time capsules for $39.99, and you can currently get a 4-pack of AirTags on Amazon for an all-time low of $69.99. And those with the same PowerOwl 8-pack of batteries, and you now have 4 of these that'll all cost you about 25 cents a month over a 10-year advertised lifespan. FYI, be sure to use Elevation Lab discount code DESIGN for 5% off your order. As always, links to purchase any of these items can be found in the description below. The Time Capsule advertises being waterproof via its IP69 ingress protection rating against dust and water. Fully loaded, the Time Capsule weighs in at 3.4 ounces, and it measures 4.45 inches by 1.57 inches by 0.75 inches and is constructed of premium fiber-reinforced composite with CNC machine screws. Elevation Lab recommends using Energizer Ultimate Lithium, but I would say you should be fine with any brand as long as you go with lithium as opposed to nickel cadmium or nickel metal hydride, just to prevent the potential for corrosion and leak. I've linked the PowerOwl batteries I went with, as they cost about half of what the Energizer lithium ones cost, so it's up to you though. The relatively discreet design doesn't necessarily look like an AirTag case and diminishes the output level of the speaker, which can also be a perk. Here's a sample of the ringer with the case lid screwed on. And with it off. It's a great solution for tracking luggage or something like a camera bag, trailer, vehicle, other adult toys, or anything of value for that matter. According to their site, Elevation Lab said the inspiration for the design was a stolen camera bag totaling over $10,000 in value because the AirTag that they had placed inside had a dead battery. While this is far from the best tracking solution for any lost or stolen items, this is one of the most cost-effective efforts. The one major downside I found, and I hear this echoed in the reviews, is a lack of mounting options. It is best suited for a pocket or a sleeve of sorts, but you could easily use some 3M double hook or even their extra strength double-sided tape, and you could come up with some more creative mounting solutions. For me, this is going to be a relatively mobile device, and I'm going to throw it into the pocket of whatever bigger bag or backpack I may be carrying that day. Setup couldn't be simpler. Unscrew the AirTag as if you were replacing the battery and screw the important half back onto the contacts of the time capsule. Put on the lid, screw it down, and you're done. It took me less than 2 minutes, and that was utilizing the included Allen wrench as opposed to something like a precision screwdriver. You'll hear a very familiar and satisfying beep as soon as you complete the circuit when installing the second battery. I know there are a few rumors going around about an AirTag 2, and while I'm fairly sure we'll see a second variant of the popular Bluetooth tracker this year, I also think that means that from now until then, you'll find some of the best deals on the current AirTag, especially if you get the 4-pack. I would even venture to guess these time capsules will easily live long past the product life cycle of the AirTag itself. I'm also hoping Apple does something very Apple in making the new AirTag in a similar enough form factor that it too will be able to fit into this time capsule, but only time will tell. This brings us back to the ultimate question: would I buy the Elevation Lab Time Capsule again? And I have to say, yeah, I already pre-ordered the 4-pack. If you watched a few of my videos, you'll know that I love having an inventory, if you will, of cool gifts. If you need a gift idea for an Apple fan who has it all, this is a great accessory they probably don't have. Yet. As mentioned, I also feel this is great for luggage or tossing in your car or truck. Thanks for watching. Carry on.